Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the all new 2021 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. So let's get started. This E-Class is long wheelbase, and talking about the exterior, the all new Mercedes-Benz E-Class comes with stunning elegant exterior with contemporary new headlights, power domes and stylish bumper design which make this car absolutely phenomenal. The tires are 43.2 cm 17-inch light alloy wheels in 5 twin-spoke design which looks classic. Now let's go inside the car. The new generation steering wheel is finished in beige and black which looks beautiful and stunning. And wait, you can't ignore the dual 31.2 cm 12.3 inch widescreen cockpit which offer tons of features and control. Here you get maximum freedom to control the infotainment system as per your convenience. You can use voice control with Hey Mercedes or intuitive touch functions. There is also a touchpad integrated in the center console which responds to single and multi-finger gestures as well as handwriting. Furthermore, the display can be controlled using touch control buttons on the steering wheel. The instrument cluster is loaded with tons of features. You can customize the design and the entire look and feel of the widescreen cockpit. There is a choice of 4 display styles such as Classic, Sport, Progressive and Subtle, and you can choose any of them depending on your choice. The infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation system and Mercedes Me Connect app, so you can easily monitor your vehicle with the help of your smartphone. The front seats are electrically adjustable with memory function and 4-way lumbar support. It is very comfortable to sit and drive. Here you get some storage space and cup holders. You also have an electric sunblind and panoramic sliding sunroof. You get an option to choose between individual sport, comfort and eco mode. This car has best-in-class Bumster surround sound music system which delivers very high quality sound output. This car also has ambient lighting in 64 colors which looks sensational during night. Now let's talk about some safety features offered by this car. This car has many safety features such as active parking assist, active brake assist, pre-safe. The pre-safe system makes the use of time prior to an impending accident on your behalf. A host of measures are able to reduce the stress and strain to which you are exposed. The innovative pre-safe sound generates a noise from the speakers which is able to trigger a natural protective reflex. This protects the inner ear by damping the accident noise. It has a knee bag to protect your knees, power closing doors and tire pressure monitoring system. Now let's go to the rear side. At the back, the legroom is spacious and here you get rear reclining seats. Rear electrically adjustable memory seats with comfort headrest. Here you also get a detachable rear touchscreen tablet, so just by sitting and relaxing at the back you can easily access all the controls. Here you have AC vents and cup holders and a rear wireless charger. Comparing this car with its competitor, the quality of the interior and features offered are best in this price segment. Talking about the boot space is decent and here you get an emergency spare wheel. Now you can see the dimensions and color options offered by this car as shown in the picture. Talking about the price, the Mercedes E-Class E220D Expression ex-showroom price is 69 lakhs and on-road price in Bhubaneswar is around 78.86 lakhs. That's it for today. I hope you all like this video, so don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, click to the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Thank you all. Catch you on in the next one.